2024 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, cooled front seats. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.